Today, many children of our country want to make a career in sports. However, their parents insist that they make education their priority. What do you feel about this? So let's see what answer Milkha Singh gave. Parents are concerned about their children's job prospects, so they discourage them from spending too much time on sports. I understand their concern. That is why I feel that the government can help such children. It can provide a job to a sports person based on their level of achievement in the sport. A sports person playing at the national level, for example, can be offered a certain post, and one representing the country at international events can be given a comparatively senior post. This way, an accomplished sports person would have a well-paying job as well. So, how wonderfully Milkha Singh has given an answer regarding how parents can be satisfied if their children are going into sports. Next question is, could you tell us about some of the most emotional moments in your career? Some experiences in my life have left me emotionally overwhelmed. Emotionally overwhelmed means that those moments in his life, they were overflowing by the emotions. I have either wept in pain or cried for joy. So he says, I have cried in pain also and I have cried in joy also. The first time I cried bitterly was when I came to Delhi from Pakistan and sat all alone at the railway station. I had no idea where life would take me. I was scared. The second time I broke down means the second time I cried a lot, was when I missed the gold medal at the Rome Olympic Games in 1960. I also cried when I saw the biopic Bhag Milkha Bhag. The director and the actor have depicted my life so accurately in the film that it reminded me of the struggles and hardships that I have gone through over the years. One of my happiest memories is of the day I won the gold medal for the 400-meter race at the Commonwealth Games in 1958. Tears of joy rolled down my cheeks almost involuntarily when I saw the tricolour go up and heard the band play the Indian national anthem as thousands of spectators stood up in respect. Means he's saying without my knowledge, I was not crying, I didn't wanted to cry, but the tears were rolling down when he won that gold medal in Commonwealth Games, and national anthem was being played and the tricolor national flag was going up. Another moment when I couldn't contain my tears was when Pakistan's General Ayub Khan bestowed the title the Flying Sikh on me after my performance at the Asian Games. So in this answer he is telling what were the moments when he cried for sadness, what were the moments he cried for happiness. Another question, a sports person career has its share of challenges. What kept you going through the challenging phases of your career? There were many occasions when I told myself that I could not do this anymore. I wanted to give up running. The training was so rigorous. Rigorous means it was so hard and demanding that at times I would vomit or I have to be hospitalized and administered oxygen. He had gone through many hardships to achieve what he achieved that time. What kept me going through those hard times were discipline, hard work, and willpower. I would fall to the ground in exhaustion, but my coach would say, "One more lap, Milkha," and I would pull myself up and run again. So because of tiredness, he used to fall down to the ground, but on the motivation of his coach, he would again get up. For his he was having a very strong willpower. He would again get up and again run and practice. Another question is, you are an inspiration to many people. What is the motto that you would like people to adopt? What people should get from you? The motto I have lived by and would like others to adopt is simple. Remember that you can achieve anything in your area of work. if you remain disciplined, work hard, and have a strong will to achieve your goal. So this is such a great line, like it implies on us as students also. Freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, Rajguru Sukhdev, and Lala Lajpat Rai fought for India's freedom. They were people with discipline and immense willpower. Their hard work and determination earned India its freedom. Similarly, the soldiers who guard India's borders today are disciplined and strong willed. Often, they have to work under very demanding situations. I respect their courage, hard work, and spirit of service. Besides them, I have a great respect for sportspersons. Soldiers and sportspersons give everything they have to make their country proud. Last question by Ratna Sagar. Do you wish to tell anything to the children of our country? So what Milkha Singh replies, this answer is for all of you, right? I want to tell them that the future of this country rests on their shoulders. It is their responsibility to do their best in their field of work and carry on the rich legacy left by their ancestors. So what Milkha Singh wants all of you, he wants that you should be strong-willed and be responsible and carry the good spirit throughout generations.